Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to one of the most important topics we have in today's world in software industry, that is the database development and the database designing. And today I'm gonna start a comprehensive workshop based on Microsoft SQL 2016, and in today's workshop I'm gonna tell you what I'm going to teach throughout this entire workshop. Okay, I have defined some of the core topics that we should learn when dealing with SQL Server and databases. Okay, so let's have a look what we have and what are the topics inside this particular workshop we are going to cover. So let's start and have a look. So the first thing are the topics. So the first thing that we will discuss in this particular workshop will be the data, what is database, and what about the database management system, and what are the relational database management systems. And then we'll see the introduction about how can you use the SQL Server 2016 version, and then we'll see the planning of the database, and then the ER diagram, entity relationship diagram. Apart from all these, we'll also see the DDL language and the DML and the DCL, data control, data definition and data manipulation languages. And then we'll see the clauses of SQL Server other than the predicates, and then the constraints, and also the relationships between the tables inside the database. And last but not the least, we have the stored procedures, views and triggers. So these are all the important topics that everyone should know before developing a software, and a software that is created with the help of a database. So a person should know all these things before starting a database or a software development career in his entire life. So that's what we are going to cover in this particular workshop. I will break this particular workshop in smaller chunks so that you can be easily understand which topic and which part and which concept is demonstrated where. Okay, so hopefully you have understood what the topics I will going to cover. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.